There's a Long Island iced tea. There's a Jersey Sunset, which never made them, never had them. Now there's a drink about a turnpike. Weird, man. We're going to create a very interesting cocktail. It's called a Turnpike. This was created at Milk and Honey by the late Sasha Petrosky, and it involves the Turnpike. I don't know if it's the New Jersey Turnpike or the Pennsylvania Turnpike, one of them. The reason it's called a Turnpike is because it involves New Jersey, which is Applejack, New York, which is where Milk and Honey is from, and Pennsylvania, which is the home of, it's called Monongahela Rye. I don't think I have that, so I'm just going to go with Old Overholt, which is from Pennsylvania, even though right now it's distilled in Kentucky. So, it's interesting. Let's get into this. 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. This is my 2-to-1. Now I need 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. And now for the booze. 3/4 of an ounce of Applejack. I'm using Laird's straight apple brandy, bottled in bond. And now finally, an ounce of rye. If you don't have Monongahela or Old Overholt, if you have any rye that you prefer, it should work. Just be a little careful, because I haven't tried this with all of them. This is the first time I'm having it. Now, let's grab your ice. We shake this up with 3 cubes. And I also grabbed my Nick and Nora. You know the drill. Bring it in, pop it. And the reason why we shake, the reason why I'm shaking is because lemon juice has some pulp in it. And you want to pulverize it as much as possible. Typically, you should have a large cube to really get some air going through and really pulverize. I ain't got that. So, pop, shake. Only about 17 seconds on the shake. Grab your Hawthorne and serve up in a Nick and Nora. And this is a Turnpike. Cheers. Ooh. The rye leads. To my palate. The rye leads a little bit. Bolstered behind by a little bit of lemon and the simple syrup. And then as it evolves and comes back into the back palate, and as it's going down, the apple brandy takes over. So it goes rye to the modifiers to apple brandy, and it's a tasty cocktail. I like this. Who would have thought that a Turnpike could be inspiration for a good cocktail? I'm impressed. If you like the video, you know what to do. Like, comment, all that fun stuff. All my socials down below. Try to be on my personal YouTube page Saturday nights, make a cocktail, chill out, play some games, you know, just relax. You know how it is. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.